back again. So down here is where I'm going to be making that panel down here, down this bit. I'm going to cut up here and around and replace that bit in the corner, get all that bit sorted. I've now done this bit now, I've got the sanding belts, I've got some better ones. Thanks for comments in the previous video. So I have got some better ones and they are, I haven't broke one yet, so that's got a good thing. So yeah, we'll crack on and get this bit done. And then I can come up here and spot weld all this back up here in this corner. And then I'll probably come back round once I've done that to finish off this bit I've done the last video. So let's crack on with this now, get that cut out of there and start making the panel up. Right, let's do it. There you go, all taken off. It's quite rotten behind that bracket where it was. So that's what I wanted to cut out and make this new bit up. Got to add a little bit of metal to this to come down here and get that shape to go up to that corner. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to make this up. I'm going to get this bent out a bit, flattened out, and then we'll go from there. So let's crack on. So this bit has been a little bit fiddly really. I thought it was going to be easy, to be honest, but where I've taken this out, it's I've flattened this out too much, lost the shape. I mean, it ain't that far off, but it's a little bit backwards and forwards, trying to get that to fit in there. And for some reason, good one. For some reason, it just ain't liking it. So I'm gonna do this bit off camera, go backwards and forwards, and getting this all in there. I'm gonna get all this shape back in, and hopefully that will fit the next 2 weeks when I've finished it. Now I'll get on with it, and we'll come back. Now that was a challenge. Honestly, it's only a little panel, but that was a mission. I should have maybe done it a different way, but I mean, look, that's pretty damn close. It fits in there really nice actually. So yeah, that was a challenge, but you got all the little curves and that in it, and I'm happy with it. I'm really happy with it. So what we're going to do now, head over to the bulkhead and get this welded in at last. Then I can start cracking on with some more stuff. So let's go. So there you go, all in after all this time. I didn't obviously record it all because of it would have probably been about an hour long, the video, so, and it would have been pretty boring me going back and forwards to get all this panel all in shape and stuff. But I've plugged all the welds up there in the corner, so this bit's completely done now. I'm going to put a bit of primer on that. I'll show you the other side. We go around, and that's the inside. There you go, like really nice. So I'm pleased with that, really pleased with that. So yeah, so I'll get a bit of primer on that, and we'll go from there. So big challenge, all done, bulkheads all finished at the front now, so I'm all happy with that. So on the next video we'll crack on and make that other panel up we took out in a few previous videos. I'm going to get that bit done, get all that tied up in the corner, so that's all done as well. And then we're going to start thinking about getting this new jig made up so I can fix everything in place. So I managed to get myself some bits. I know I'll get ahead of the game, but I want to get this done and get it all sorted as we go along, so I haven't got to worry about finding bits when we get to it. But my one's got a big crack in my one, so I decided to get this. This is in good condition, so I'm happy with that. Also got a tank gauge, which mine was snapped off here, so these are hard to get hold of, so I managed to get that. Also got some front inner plastic arches that go in the inside of the wings. They're hard to get hold of, can't really get them anymore, so I managed to get some second-hand ones. Thanks a lot, Steve, for sorting them out for me. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, get yourself involved. Thanks for the comments, and I'll see you next time.